Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix LG dryer D80 error code but no blockage. So first, turn off and unplug the dryer for safety. And after that, just simply confirm the airflow. Even with no visible blockage, make sure the vent hose is short, straight, and not kinked. Now, just simply press and hold the power button for 5 seconds and then hold start or pause for 5 seconds to clear the code, and you should be able to fix it. Now guys, the D80 can trigger if the airflow sensor is dirty, so clean around the moisture and exhaust sensors with a soft cloth, and of course avoid using small load with heavy fabrics because it can trick the sensor. Now, after that, just simply plug in and run a normal cycle to see if the error code clears, and there you go. See ya.